Here's how to convert M4A to MP3 on Windows. So if you've got an M4A file, that's like that Apple audio file, you can actually use an app that I created by clicking and dragging and dropping any files into it. It's called ConvertSave. It's an offline file converter, works on Windows, works on Mac. We can select any audio, but we can select MP3 and hit convert, and it converts that M4A to MP3. There's a link in the description where you can check it out. But basically, this works on Windows and Mac. I worked on it with my brother, who's a software developer, and I was sick of uploading files to random websites to then have to download them and only be able to do a couple conversions at once. So this converts as many as you want to MP3 or whatever you want. There's images that you can convert, there's video, there's audio. So you can convert video to MP3 or maybe HEIC to JPEG, like those images, iPhone photos and stuff. So there's a lot of different conversions you can do with ConvertSave. Check it out in the link in the description or just go to convertsave.com. That's how I convert M4A files to MP3.